We're talking with Liz Frey, Pelvic Health Medical Director at Fringe, about how red light can support your reproductive system. I think you have something special to show us that's pretty new out there for people to learn about.
And it is the Fringe Pelvic Wand.
I want you to tell me how it works.
So the light therapy wand has red light and near infrared light in it. And then it also has a blue light function, and that is really to help with the vaginal microbiome. It's antifungal, antibacterial. So if women suffer from bacterial vaginosis, ongoing yeast infections, then the blue light can be very helpful. The red and near infrared light therapy is used for tissue healing, tissue regeneration, helping build elastin and collagen production, reducing inflammation in the tissues. The science behind it is really quite clear in that we have worked with lasers for years. Like, laser therapy for pelvic health is not new by any stretch. So around 2018, there was a number of published research articles that showed that what we have previously been doing with laser therapy can be reproduced with LED light. And that's why we're seeing a lot of different products on the market, because they can use LED light therapy, which is, I'll say, safer for the consumer and at a price point that is actually digestible for the consumer. So just a little bit of the science is when our cells absorb light, it doesn't matter what the source is, as long as the wavelength of light is, say, correct or optimal. And the mitochondria, which are the little energy houses in our cells, for those that like to kind of nerd out at a cellular level with me here, a whole cascade of reactions will occur. And two of the byproducts of these reactions are nitric oxide. And as we know, nitric oxide is a huge vasodilator. So what will happen is, in the tissues that are receiving the light, we'll have vasodilation, increased blood flow, increased circulation. And that brings oxygen and nutrients to our tissues for healing and for general tissue health and so on. And the second byproduct is ATP, which is energy. So our cells that are receiving and absorbing this light will have an increase in energy production. Other things that are happening at a cellular level are an increase in elastin and collagen production, which helps with the integrity and the elasticity of our tissues, and then also a reduction of inflammation. So women that suffer from endometriosis, PCOS, any inflammatory condition, then the light therapy can be really helpful for that.